So from Schoology, we're just going to go to student data files. You're going to click on that. When you click on student data files, you don't actually see the file here. What you see is an assignment that says QuickBooks Students Data Company Files. You just click on that. When you click on that, you can see that it downloads all your information that you need. This is all your data files for every chapter in QuickBooks, okay? Each one is by chapter. But I want you to know that you're going to have these 3 files for every chapter. For every chapter, you will have a Christine Rayner Interior Designs, a Lynn's Music Studio, and an Olivia's Web Solutions. No matter what chapter it is, you're always going to have those 3 files. The first one we're going to actually do together is going to be the Christine Rayner Interior Design. So you see that it's here and it says Chapter 1, CH1 space Christine Rayner Interior Design QBW. Okay, QBW. So you want to click on that, and please know this is one file. When you click on it and download, it's going to download 3 files, okay? So let's just click on it and watch it download. And there it is. It is downloaded. So you should see an arrow to the right of it, yes. I want you to click on that arrow to the right of it. And I want you to go into show in folder. Show in folder. Okay? Now, when you show in folder, you're going to see that it actually has 3 different files. It has 3 different files. These 3 files are actually 3 different types of file. The file that we want to work with is the one that has the green icon on it. Kind of looks like a book. And if you go over here to the right, you'll know that it will say QuickBooks Company File. You see it? That's the only file that we're going to work with. The other files are a data source file and an ND file, but we're not going to work with that. We're actually going to work with the CH1 Christine Rayner Interior Design, the one that has the icon, the green icon, and it definitely has the type of file. It's going to say QuickBooks Company Files. Okay? Now, I need you. Now, I want you to click on the first one. Don't double click. Just click one time on the first file. I need you to hold the shift key down on your keyboard. Got to use 2 hands. Hold the shift key down on your keyboard. And then click on the last one. Click on the first one and then click on the last one. You get everything in between. Now, what I want you to do now is take your mouse and right click on any one of those files. Looking with the right side of your mouse, you're looking for the word copy. Right click, copy. Click on copy. Now, if you have a flash drive, you need to go to your flash drive. If you're going to put it on your desktop, wherever you're going to put it, you just need to find a place where you're going to put it. And then you're going to right click on it anywhere where there's no pictures or word. You're going to right click and click on the word paste. And then you're going to put it on where in your either your USB drive or whatever. Okay?
Those 3 files?
Notice that you have all 3 files, but you're only going to be working with 1. They have to go together. You will always have 3 files. This is a database, so you're going to have 3 files. But the file we're working with is going to be Christine Rayner Interior Design, the one that says Company File, and it's the one that has the green icon on it. Okay?
So we always going to be...
Now that we see our 3 files, I want you to take your mouse on the one that says QuickBooks Company File or the green icon. I want you to right click on it and do a rename. Right click and click on rename. Now, what I want you to rename is get rid of the CH1. So you're just going to take your mouse and click behind the C and the H. Don't get rid of everything. Just click behind the H. And then you're going to backspace that. And you're going to put in EX. And then you're going to go behind the 1. You're going to press the space bar. And then you're going to type your name. And then you're just going to press enter. You're renaming the file. Now this is the file in Explorer. This is not the file in QuickBooks. To rename this file in QuickBooks, or this company in QuickBooks, we got to open up QuickBooks. So how we're going to open up QuickBooks is we're going to double click on the EX1, your name, Christine Rayner, Interior Design, and when that happens, you can see that QuickBooks opens. You're going to always see this message. This is something that they want us to do, and we're not going to do that. So we're just going to always click on Install Later. And give it a couple of minutes. You can see that QuickBooks opens up. Okay? No. You can if that comes up, it's going to be no. Okay, so you should see Accountant Center, yes. You're going to close Accountant Center. You're going to close that up. You're also going to close up Home, because right now we're not dealing with any of that. You're going to close Home. And then your QuickBooks should look just like this.